I'm over on the Beissier stand, and you know I've done a video there showing you the roll-on plaster. Now I've got Anthony, which is Anthony is their technical consultant. I'm holding his badge there. He's over from France. He's the main man. If there's any questions that the reps in the UK have got questions on, he's the man that is their go-to consultant. So I'm going to swivel the camera around. Anthony, his English is pretty good.
Little.
Is it un petit point?
Un petit peu.
Un petit peu.
My English is not very.
It's
not
better
very
than
good,
my French.
But I can try to explain you.
I can order an ice cream.
Yes.
Une glace, s'il vous plaît, monsieur. Quelquefois? Fresh.
Very good.
Fresh. Swivel the camera around. It's going to demo the product. You've already seen me demo it. I was new to the product, so I probably had some issues with it. Probably not, but Anthony knows how to do it properly. So let's see what he can show us that I couldn't. There you go. You're all mic'd up.
I tried to explain you. So today we present you new product. It's a new generation because it's a lightweight product, and it's a multi-purpose product. You can release all operation for painters, and we apply the product with rolls. These tools is very easy to apply product, and you are more regular and you are more faster like a manual application.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Right. To anybody that remembers, this looks like a high build finish doing it this way, which don't think it's going to look like that when Anthony's finished. We're going to get it smooth as a baby's bottom.
Yes. After you take your blade, and here you are open, you must have to be loose and to make pressure, and after it's finished.
Do you know what? It's as easy as that. And I'm going to jump in straight away. I'm trying not to talk over anybody. Yeah. If you're a plasterer and you are watching this, this is not taking away the job of the plasterer. This is an additional product for the decorator.
Yes, yes.
To improve on the finish of the surface that they may be working over.
Yes, yes.
I'm not saying that all plasterers are bad, but we do come into houses that have got bad plastering. This product will help us smooth, improve the surface that we want to work on. And as you've demonstrated there, Anthony, look how quick it was to actually apply and smooth over for that area.
Yes.
This is dry within a couple of hours?
For 1 millimeter on plasterboard, you must have to wait 24 hours minimum.
But you could likely sand that over to improve the surface the next day?
Yes, before to send.
Yeah, and then you could be painting on it the same day as well, 24 hours later after applying. Yes. That's brilliant. It's a really good product. Yes. I think more people need to see it as a decorator to appreciate what the product can give to them, to their business. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much too.
And cheers.